Congratulations guys, you have made it. You're now into Make Money Secrets with Cyber Veda. Let's grow. But before that, we really like to appreciate people who took action into this program, because lot many people won't be taking any actions, and those people would be stopped in the initial stage itself. People who took action, then they can come across the success rate in their life. Before that, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mahesh, and I'm having over 5+ years of experience into digital marketing, and I'm literally very happy to share this program with you. Why? Because 5 years before, we are not having this kind of programs, and I struggled a lot to come across these strategies, and I'm going to share you my own strategies, like how to get or how to make a 6-figure in your life. And you know, this program is for people who are willing to make money through online, like a passive income or an side hustle, especially for housewives, for students, for people who would like to work from home. So this would be working out for them, and I'm pretty much sure, like, you are surely coming across the success rate once you complete our course. So let's jump into actual overview of this program. So the first thing what we are going to cover in this program is understanding the right mindset for success. Okay, if you have the right mindset, then success would be following you. So you need to have a right mindset. So we are going to discuss about that mindset in our next sessions. The second thing is, what is direct response marketing? I guess you come across digital marketing, traditional marketing, affiliate marketing. So what is direct response marketing? We are going to cover this. And the third thing is, what is affiliate marketing? Fourth thing is, what is like how to create offers and how to build list. Okay, for people who build list are having much value in the market, so we need to focus on creating offers and building list. So this is also what we are going to cover. And the fifth thing is copywriting secrets. Okay, so like, for example, say if anyone like to get impressed once they land on our website or our landing page, the first thing what they would be coming across is the content what is available on our landing page or website. So to impress them, we need to have a good strategy or good headlines. So what I'm going to do here is, like, I'm having around 100 to 150 different headlines with me, different text with me, copywriting text with me. You can make use of it and get completely a success from it. And the sixth thing is traffic basis. So we are going to explain you how to bring traffic. Traffic is nothing but the public to your website. Okay, so we are going to share you each and every information, like free traffic as well as the paid traffic. So this we are going to discuss in our future classes. And the seventh thing is secrets to powerful funnel. Okay, this is one of the important thing we need to come across, like in the marketing strategies of digital marketing as well as in affiliate marketing. So this is also we are going to cover in our program. The eighth thing is software secrets. Okay, so we are going to have 4 to 5 different type of softwares, and I would like to let you know, like, you are not going to invest any money in this program. Okay, just we are concentrating on people who can make as much as money without investing any penny into their program. So here we are going to come across with free softwares. Last but not least, we are going to work on email autoresponder setup. Here the work is done automatically. You need not to send any emails. Everything would be set up prior. So I'm going to show you how to set up everything before. Okay, once you start getting your the email list, or once you start building your list, so what the next step you need to take with the help of email autoresponder setup. So this is what we are going to discuss in the 10th step. So guys, and we are also going to have a bonus session, like a meditation session. Okay, by doing meditation also you can figure out your mind and put it in an proper way, like to earn money online. So here we are also having a separate meditation session with us. So before that, we need to be very much good at the steps what I have covered from the starting. Okay, the 10 steps what I have covered, you need to be very much aware of it. Then after, the success would be automatically following you. Okay guys, so let's meet in our next class, and our next session is on your mindset. Okay, how to build your mindset, how to understand your mindset. So we are going to have this in our next class. Stay tuned. Bye bye.